You've got your coaches, Dion, Dublin and Gary Pallister. Welcome to the race to Old Trafford. Now, our teams are in for a challenge as they race across Manchester ahead of the first big game of the season. So let's go and head to the starting line. Teams, introduce yourself.
I'm Lindsay, I'm from Rainbow Devils.
I'm Nick, and I'm a Snapdragon insider.
I'm James, and I'm a Snapdragon insider.
I'm Asif, co-founder of Manchester United Muslim Sports Club.
I am so excited to reveal today's prize is going to be a brand new, customised Manchester United third kit, not just for yourselves, but for your very own fan clubs. And you've already been armed with the Snapdragon power inside your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultras, and I'm about to give you your Samsung laptops powered by Snapdragon 2. So it's now time for a team talk.
Hello teams, I'm Dion Dublin, and this is my mate, Mr. Gary Pallister.
And we'll be coaching you in today's race.
James and Asif, you will be Team Dublin.
And I'll be coaching Team Pallister with Nicholas and Lindsay. OK, time for your first challenge. I've pulled in a couple of international pals, so listen very carefully.
Votre première tâche, trouver un moyen de comprendre ce que je dis.
El sueño es que acertijo para obtener la obligación de tu próximo desafío.
Bonne chance, la team.
The race to Old Trafford starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
It's a different language.
Do you speak any French?
That sounds Spanish to me. How are we going to translate this? This actually has now a AI interpreter, and it should translate straight to English for us.
1, 2, 3.
Les anciennes de Manchester.
In the oldest part of Manchester, this landmark above the water has found a new use as a garden in the sky.
Garden in the sky. I feel like I've been there. It's above the water.
Castlefield.
Yes, that one with the white bridge.
Great works of art adorn the walls and hallways here for our sport.
There is a sports museum, National Football Museum.
Capture a photograph of this iconic and busy place.
Right, come on, let's get going.
Well done, team. That is brilliant. Now head to the National Football Museum via King Street, then cross.
How cool is it to get a message from Dion Dublin? I think it's this way, this way.
Wonder how the other team are getting on. Probably slowly. Oh, there's the bridge.
That way, that way, that way.
We're getting close.
We need to think about taking that picture.
Right, so if you just, yeah, perfect. So we just did that.
National Football Museum.
There you go.
Yeah, amazing. Unfortunately, this guy just walked in the way. So if I just grab him, maybe we can use that button, and that'll delete him. There you go, perfect.
We can actually get rid of that graffiti. I can go delete and generate. Are you ready for this magic? Drum roll, please. And there you are.
That is so good. Oh, that is really clever.
Right?
Next to Old Trafford, hop on the first tram.
Final leg.
This is the one we need to get.
Next one.
Yes, next one.
I think we've got this in the bag. They're probably still doing the translation task.
Old Trafford, here we come.
Getting nervous now, this at the end.
Stop is Old Trafford.
So, across the zebra crossing.
Oh, we have to go down. Oh, no.
I think we're ahead.
Are they on green?
Yes, it's on green.
Oh.
No, it's not on red.
Go, let's go.
You can do this.
Right, let's get to the middle.
Let's win it.
Go on.
Win. For the win.
Well done, teams. You have successfully made it to Old Trafford, but I'm sorry, guys, it was too close to call, so it's now time for a decider. You've got your coaches, Dion, Dublin and Gary Pallister.
Look at my boys, man. Look at my boys.
Now, to claim victory, you'll have to cross the virtual finish line, scan a shirt from our new kit in the AR experience, shoot it with your S24 lens, and that's it.
Go, 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 go.
The winning team is Team Dublin!
Come on. That is yours. But we can't have any losers. I've had a little chat with my friends at Snapdragon. We've got you some shirts as well.
These are going to be for your fan club as well, all provided by Snapdragon. So well done. Thank you so much for obviously all your hard work to get to the Theatre of Dreams today.
Right, guys, there's one more surprise. You will be going on the pitch to take penalties. Look at their faces.